In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can start dropshipping ASAP, even if you've got no experience. And not just that, I'm going to show you how I would do it if I was to start again. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines thinking I need to start my own dropshipping store, well, take this as a sign. Now, let me give a quick background on my story. So literally nearly 11 months ago, I was working a 9-to-5 job in the UK. I eventually quit that job. I moved to Dubai with no savings, and I had no backup plan, just a vision to make money. Now, fast forward to now, I run a 6-figure coaching business, and dropshipping was one of the first business models I actually did, and it helped me a lot to get started with making money online. And the good news, it's still one of the easiest ways to make money online. So let's break it down step by step on how you can start. Now, the first thing that you need to do is select a product. Now, the product is very, very important. This essentially could make or break your store. You can't just select like a random product and hope to sell it. You've got to do enough research to make sure that that product is a winning product. And you don't need to sort of reinvent the wheel or find a product that no one's doing. You need to find a product that's already proven to work. So if I was to find a winning product, this is what I'd do. I'd create a brand new TikTok account. I would then search TikTok made me buy it, and I'll just watch a bunch of videos. I would like those videos and I'd comment on those videos too. This shows the TikTok algorithm that I'm engaging with these type of content. And then after a while, what you're going to see is that these products will show up on your For You page. So all you need to do is start scrolling through your For You page, look for videos that are quite brand new, and see the type of engagement those videos are getting. You need to look out for stuff like, is the video getting a lot of views? Are there good comments? Stuff like, I want to buy this, or where can I buy this? That kind of stuff. If there are comments like that, then yeah, that product could be a winning product. You also need to check the season as well, like can this product be used during the season? A good way to check stuff like that is by using Google Trends. Now, alternatively, you can also use an ad spy tool, and I'll definitely recommend to invest in an ad spy tool. One of the best ones to use are like Shop Hunter. Literally, you can just go on there, paste in a website, and you can see exactly how much that store is making. Right, so once you've found your product, obviously then go into AliExpress, find that product on there, and save that link. Now, the next step is where a lot of beginners get stuck. Designing a store, choosing a theme, writing product descriptions. Honestly, these things do take hours, even sometimes days, unless you do exactly what I do. And this is where Atlas AI comes in. Now, Atlas AI is the fastest and most efficient way to launch a fully optimized Shopify dropshipping store. Now, here's why I use it. It builds your entire store in 2 minutes. It uses AI to write descriptions, format your layout, and optimize it for conversions. And all you have to do is literally just paste in your product link. That's literally it. All you've got to do is paste in your product link, and Atlas AI will build your store for you. And it will completely optimize it as well. There's no coding required. There's no designing required. Literally just plug and play. And Atlas AI users are already doing 1.2 million in total revenue a month. And over 35% of people make their first sale within a few days by using it. So let me show you how it works. Now, firstly, this is the Atlas AI website, and it explains how easy it is, and it's really quick and easy to install. So I click over here where it says build my free store. It will then take me to the Shopify app store where I can download this app. Now, make sure you are logged into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, just click on install, and then it will show a pop-up, so you just click install again, and that's it. It's really as simple as that. Now let me show you how it works. So all I do is copy the URL of this product page, and I then paste that link right over here, and now AI will create the whole website for me. So all I have to do is sit back and let AI do its thing. Right guys, so AI has created my website, as you can see, and it's turned out to be so good. And you can literally change a bunch of things like your store name, your product name, etc. I can even change the color, which I'm probably going to go for like a white and blue theme. I can also adjust the reviews and edit them too. But honestly, even the reviews are very well written. Now let's preview the website in full. So this is the product page for the product, and I can't fault this website at all. It's so good, and as I scroll down, you can already tell this is going to be a high converting website. And as you can see, it only took me about 2 minutes to make. And over 35% of Atlas users are making consistent sales. Trust me, you are going to get left behind if you don't adapt AI tools, which makes dropshipping much easier. They also have a built-in bundler app and AI photos as well. That way you don't need to use Kaching or any other bundler app anymore, which means that you can save a lot of money. Honestly, this is something I wish I had years ago when I first started dropshipping. However, now there are no excuses not to make money with tools like Atlas AI. So if you want to try this for yourself, check out Atlas AI by using the link in the description, and use the code ATLAS15 for 15% off. Now what you need to do is actually market the product. Okay, so you have two options here. You can either order the product and film the content yourself, or what I usually do is get ad creatives made for me. Now, I personally like to use viral ecom ads because they create really good high converting videos for you. You can also use AI tools like Creatify. They basically create AI UGC videos for you. Now, once you have the video ad creatives, you're now going to launch some ads. Now, if you're just starting out, I'd recommend to use TikTok ads or Meta ads, but it depends on your product which one you should use. So depending on the product, you can either use TikTok ads or Meta ads, which is basically Facebook ads. If you're targeting Gen Z or millennials, then TikTok is the best way to go. Now, start with like a low budget, something like $20 a day. Test 3 to 5 ad creatives and run it for 2 to 3 days. The ads that aren't getting you results, kill them. The ones that are getting you results, scale them. I've actually done an entire video on how you can set up your TikTok ads, and I'll make sure I leave that video in the description. And then after that, you can then start slowly scaling up your dropshipping store. Now remember, a lot of products don't last forever. So as soon as your ads start slowing down and the product is no longer doing well, start looking for new products and keep building one product stores. Honestly, starting a dropshipping business doesn't have to take weeks. If I had to start again, I'd do exactly what I just showed you in this video. You can literally find a product, create your store, create content, and launch ads within only a few days. Most people overthink, but winners will take action straight away. But yeah, I thought I'd make sort of a different video to what I usually make. But currently guys, if you are looking at ways to make money online, then you can either DM me on Instagram or you can book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description. But thanks very much for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe, and like, and I'll catch you guys for another video.